We as a company have fitted Ideal for a long time. I've been fitting them since I left school. We've even got pictures of me and my brother, the other director, at Ideal events when we were children. So that just goes to show how long we've been installing them. And soon as Ideal launched the heat pumps, we went along to have a look at them, tried one. The 5 kilowatt is perfect size for this property, and with it being the quiet mark and with it being in quite a residential area and close to the properties, it really helps to get it fitted in the right location.
We're in Leeds today with Warmaway. We've been dealing with Warmaway for the last probably 50 years, from Grandad to Dad, then to Adam. They've been doing air source heat pumps for the last 20 years now, and today they've chosen to fit the Logic Air.
Morning Steve, how are we doing?
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you.
So this is your install then, can you tell me a bit about it? What's the design?
Customer had certain requirements. They wanted air source heat pump install. We guided them through the installation, the underfloor heating, so the customer removed the floor themselves, and then we've come along, put the underfloor heating down and installed the system for them.
So obviously Adam, we're looking at a retrofit property here. We all like to work on new builds. We tend to find them a bit simpler and design wise. How have you found the whole process?
So the Ideal kit is quite easily retrofitted. This property had a combi boiler installed just behind us in the cupboard, so we're a little bit limited for space, so we've used a slimline cylinder. A volumizer is used in existing radiators. One of the key things they wanted was underfloor heating, so we looked at different options of underfloor heating and what would work best. They also had requirements because they had solar PV installed, so we installed a diverter valve on it so they can utilise any surplus energy to heat the immersion heater, especially on days like today.
Wonderful.
Once we decided we wanted an air source heat pump, we decided it'd be worthwhile to take the floorboards up, insulate underneath, and get underfloor heating. Everything just went really smoothly, and you can see the progress each day and different bits installed. We've achieved what we've set out to do in the sense that we're not reliant on gas anymore. That's one less cost in the long run as well, because we don't have to pay that gas standing charge. It's all electrical. We're looking forward to it being really cosy and warm and comfortable in winter. And I'm really looking forward to that actually, because I always have really cold feet. So this winter it's going to be great.
Anybody who's wanting to make the transition from gas to installing heat pumps, I think Ideal can definitely help you and hold your hand the way through the processes, getting MCS, getting your first install, getting designed, and they will definitely help you to get you up and going in the renewables sector.
For more information on the Logic Air, please contact your local representative, which could be me.